Must be the flow through my veins since I say no, I can't think that we are better than this strange dream happening. What is happening to you, the quality of everyone that was you, is happiness and suffering. Like seeing in their eyes, all I think about it, I did what you put a kind of crap in the open, when I die. This word never will never surrender. That when there is no hope, I'm supposed to crack up to jump and I lose all my dreams. You'll catch me drinking and I see it full of ignorance. We'll be a slave to violence.
It's always on the back of my mind, sitting with me all the time, I get high. Within the side of paradise, going to a show. And the goose matter obstacles, possible, impossible to get. The way to destruction and hate will create a better place. Better world, another chance to below, just a way of still. We don't think anymore now, don't think anymore. And when there is no hope, I'm supposed to crack, I'll shoot the jump, and I lose all my dreams. You'll catch me drinking and I see this world of ignorance. We'll be a slave to violence.
And when there is no hope, I'll smoke some crack, I'll shoot some dope. And when I lose all my dreams, you'll catch me drinking and I say, in this world of ignorance, we'll all be slaves of violence.
Can't watch the fire burn after I think sun is discerned. If one time I will see the dawn of a new beginning.